Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Today we will start the rectilinear figure which is continued from our previous video. In previous video we did the last theorem is in a rhombus two diagonals are meet in a right angle. Now today we will do two theorems. The first theorem is in a rectangle diagonals are equal. In a rectangle diagonals are equal because we know rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, square, all are parallelograms. What is a rectangle? A parallelogram, if one angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, then that parallelogram is a rectangle. Only we will take that point and then prove the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Now here there is a statement in a rectangle diagonals are equal. So draw a rectangle. Rectangle is given A, B, C and D. Every angle is 90 degree. So this parallelogram is called rectangle. So we can take down given A, B, C, D is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. We know rectangle is a parallelogram. Two diagonals are equal. Take two diagonals AC, join AC and BD. AC and BD are two diagonals. This side is equal to this side because according to definition of a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. But in a rectangle case, only one angle of a parallelogram if 90 degree, then that parallelogram is called rectangle. So one angle is 90 degree means all angles are 90 degree. Each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Then we draw two diagonals to prove AC is equal to BD. This is the proof. AC is equal to BD. We have to prove AC is equal to BD. So I always told that congruency chapter, congruency conditions are important for most of chapters, most theorems, exercises, congruency conditions are very important. Now this thing is very easy to prove. We will take two triangles and compare those two triangles according to congruency conditions. But here we take two triangles such that two diagonals of a rectangle will be one side of each triangle. So now choose and take a look which triangle we have to take, which two triangle we have to take. In those two triangles, diagonals AC and BD must be present. So you can take whatever two triangles may be. Now look, I taking two triangles A, C, B and a BCA and a BCD. Here BCA AC diagonal is present, BCD BD diagonal is present. You can take another two triangles by taking same base. Now proof, very simple. Proof in triangle ABC ABC and triangle BCD. Here we will take two triangles with same base, triangle ABC and triangle BCD. In these two triangles, AC and BD diagonals are present. You take whatever any two triangle, but where AC and BD two diagonals are present, or one on side of that those triangles. So you can take ABC and ABD, whatever you may take, but here I taking two triangles in triangle ABC and triangle BCD. In ABC triangle, look at ABC triangle and a BCD triangle. This is a BCD triangle. BCD triangle. In this two triangle, what? Number 1 point. In ABC triangle, angle ABC is equal to, in BCD triangle, angle BCD, that is equal to 90 degree. Given, because as ABCD is a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree, so ABC angle is equal to BCD angle, that is equal to 90 degree. Number 2, AB is equal to CD. Look, in ABC triangle, AB side is equal to CD side, because this is also given as this is a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So AB is equal to CD. It is also given point. As given is a rectangle, so according to rectangle formula, there AB is equal to CD. Then ABC is equal to BCD and AB is equal to CD. We have to take another angle. So angle BAC, is equal to angle BAC, this angle is equal to angle CDB, sorry, angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to sorry, another side is there, BC is equal to BC. BC on both sides, both triangles, that is common. So two triangles. Now look once again, in ABC triangle and BCD triangle. In ABC triangle, there is AC is present. In BCD triangle, BD diagonal is present. In ABC triangle, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, that is equal to 90 degree. And AB is equal to CD, this is also given point as this is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD and BC is the common side. So two triangles are said to be incongruent. Side angle. So triangle, this is third point, triangle ABC congruent to the triangle BCD due to side angle side. Two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of other triangle. If are equal, then two triangles are congruent to each other. So two triangles are congruent. So AC is equal to BD, CP, CTC. Proved. This is very easy. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. We have to prove. So there is a rectangle ABCD. So to prove AC is equal to BD, diagonals are equal. Then we will take, here is no construction. We taken two triangles by same base, that is ABC and BCD. In ABC triangle and BCD triangle, magnitude of angle ABC is equal to magnitude of the angle BCD, that is equal to 90 degree, which is a given point. And second, AB is equal to CD. It is also given point as in a given ABC is a rectangle. So in a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree, opposite sides are equal. Then BC is equal to BC, which is common side. So then triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BCD. Then AC is equal to BC, AC is equal to BD. Prove AC is equal to BD. Now take a screenshot. We will go to the next theorem. Theorem 8 is the last theorem of this rectilinear figure. Then we will go to the examples, exercises and some statements you have to prove. So geometry is nothing but understanding matter. If you understand the geometrical language, geometrical figure, if you understand the language of the question, you can solve easily. Then theorem 8, in a square. So our next theorem, theorem 8 is in a square diagonals are equal and meet at a right angle. This is the next theorem. And last theorem, in a square diagonals are equal and meet at a right angle. General, square is a rectangle. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. Just proved before. As a square is a rectangle, so diagonals are equal. But here we have to prove in as like as rectangle method, two diagonals are equal. And then we can prove two diagonals meet at a right angle. This is a square. Very easy. A, B, C, D. What is square? In a rectangle, if two adjacent sides of a rectangle are equal, then it is called square. Two adjacent sides of a rectangle if equal, then it is called square. So square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. All squares is a rectangle. So given ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. There is a two diagonal AC and BD intersect at O point, because intersect at a right angle we have to prove. So in a square all sides are equal, all angles are equal. So given ABCD is a square, to prove, first AC is equal to BD, second AC is perpendicular to BD. Two things, AC is equal to BD and AC is perpendicular to BD, because two diagonals are equal we have to prove, and diagonals bisect or meet at 90 degree. This will be 90 degree we have to prove. Then prove two diagonals are equal, AC is equal to BD. As like as a rectangle, we have take two triangles in which two diagonals are present. So we take in triangle ABC and triangle BCD, same thing, AB is equal to CD given, and angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, that is equal to 90 degree, it is also given, and BC is equal to BC, common. So two triangles, triangle ABC congruent to the triangle BCD according to side, angle, side. So AC is equal to BD. This is first proof. Proved. Second, this angle will be 180 degree. Sorry, this is 90 degree. Take another two triangle. Which triangle are adjacent to each other? Those two triangles we have to take, means in one diagonal we have to take two triangles, because this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, other this and this all are 90 degree. So we take, you can take AC as the diagonal. There are two triangles AOD and COD. Otherwise you take a BD as a diagonal, two triangles ABO and AOD, otherwise BCO and BOD. Any two triangle you can take. I am writing in triangle ABO, ABO and AOB, AOB and in triangle AOB and AOD. These two triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So what will be? Here AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. This is given because this is the square. All sides are equal. So AB is equal to AD. No problem. AB is equal to AD. Then OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. It is also given. How? OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. As this is a square, square is a parallelogram. According to parallelogram definition, in a parallelogram, two diagonals bisect each other. So, as it is a parallelogram, so BD is the diagonal bisect at O point. So, BO is equal to DO and AO is common. AO is equal to AO. This is common. So, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of other triangle. Then two triangles are congruent to each other. So, triangle AOB congruent to the triangle AOD. Two triangles are congruent. So, this angle is equal to this angle. So, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. But two angles are supplementary to each other, otherwise they are collinear. Sorry, they are linear pair. So, but as angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. What is the cause? Linear pair. So, I am writing here angle AOB is equal to angle AOD, that is equal to 90 degree. So, AC is perpendicular to BD. Second, that is proved. This is we had to take double times, twice. First two triangles we have to take to prove first proof. Then again we took second two triangle to prove AC is perpendicular to BD. Now take a screenshot. It is important theorem. In a square, diagonals are equal and meet at a right angle. So, this is the square diagonals relation. Take a screenshot. Now, today 8 theorems are covered and some tags to you. If you practice these 8 theorems only once or twice, by well understanding, you can prove further theorems. So, I am reading the next theorems you have to prove. That is home tax for you. Try to understand and prove. Prove the following. Prove the followings. Number 1. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, there is no space to write the statement. I reading the statement and try to draw a diagram. In a quadrilateral, two diagonals A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Two diagonals BD and AC bisect each other. Means AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. So you can prove ABCD is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, If two diagonals bisect each other, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Very easy. You can take any two triangles, just opposite triangle you have to take two opposite triangles, AOB and COD. This side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to vertically opposite angle. So the two triangles are congruent to each other. So this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, which are alternate interior angle. So AB is parallel to CD, like this you can prove. Then second, number 2, if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If opposite sides of a quadrilateral, second, if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, this is a very important points, terms to remember and understand. If opposite sides of the quadrilateral, this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If opposite sides are equal, AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, then prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Then you have to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. You can draw diagonals and compare two triangles. You can easily prove ABCD is a parallelogram. In third, 3 questions you are given to solve. In the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Then next, if the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then that quadrilateral is parallelogram. So this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. If opposite angles are equal, angle A is equal to C, angle B is equal to angle D, then ABCD is a parallelogram, we have to prove. So these 3 theorem, this is the theorem or statement to understand, to work out and to remember. Because while we doing the exercise, while we solve the exercise, we will face this type of problem, this type of a technique. So this is the things. In our next video we will discuss the more statements relating rectilinear figure or parallelogram or polygon. And for today, this much. Thanks. Have a nice day today.